Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a blacklist script in Roblox Studio. Before we start, please drop a like and subscribe, and let's get right to it. First, you want to make a script under server script service, and you can name it whatever, but I'm gonna name it blacklist script. Then we want to get the band player's username, so local band equals, and then you just want to put the usernames here. So I'm gonna put mine so that it kicks me for the video, show that it works, and then I'm gonna put my friends, and you can put any usernames you want. Then we wanna get when a player joins, so game.players.player added. We're gonna connect that to a function, and here we're gonna get the player. Then we're gonna get all the usernames here, so for I, V, pairs, Ben. So what we wanted to do here is if the player dot name equals v, so if it equals any of these, then we wanted to kick the player, so player kick, and then here you can put the reason. I'm gonna put blacklisted. Alright, so let's test it out. So as you can see, once we joined, it kicked us for the reason blacklisted. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.